Hello and welcome to Daily Investment Guide, your go-to source for the latest financial news, analysis, and insights. I'm your host, Nina Menon. Today, we have a lineup of some of the most impactful stories from the business world that could shape your investment decisions. Let's dive in. Story 1. Indian equities react positively to Trump's return. In a surprising turn of events, Donald Trump has secured a second non-consecutive term as President of the United States. His return has already sparked a surge in Indian equities, with the Sensex and Nifty both up by over 1%. IT stocks like TS and Infosys soared on the back of anticipated US tech spending. Story 2. RBI flags higher inflation ahead. RBI Governor Shakti Kanta thus issued a cautionary note about upcoming inflation data, signaling that October's Consumer Price Index (CPI) might exceed September's 5.5%. This projection is dampening hopes for an interest rate cut in December, urging investors to brace for continued economic tightness. Story 3. Airtel's Q2 profit rockets 168%. Bharti Airtel reported a 168% year-on-year jump in its Q profit, attributed to tariff hikes that boosted average revenue per user (ARPU). However, these gains came with a slight dip in subscriber numbers. This dual outcome signals the balancing act telecom players face between growth and consumer retention. Story 4. Surge in AA-rated bond investments. The bond market has seen notable action as spreads between AA-rated corporate bonds and government securities narrow. This trend reflects increased investor confidence in high-quality debt amid expectations of interest rate stabilization, underscoring the market's appetite for safe assets. Story 5. Tepid opening for Swiggy's IPO. Swiggy's much-anticipated IPO, aimed at raising approximately Rs 11,300 crore, faced a lukewarm response on its first day, with only 12% of shares subscribed. The retail segment performed better, while institutional investors held back. The outcome will be crucial for gauging future public market offerings. Story 6. Potential boost in IT hardware with new PLI measures. The government is mulling over policy adjustments to enhance local production under the Production Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme for IT hardware. This may include additional import quotas for companies committing to higher domestic output, a strategic move to lessen reliance on foreign technology. Story 7. Russia's appeal to Indian airlines. In response to Western sanctions, Russia has approached Indian airlines to operate domestic flights within its territory. This unconventional proposal reflects Russia's strategy to mitigate operational challenges amid restricted access to Western aircraft components. Story 8. SGPC's call for safety amidst overseas tensions. The Shiromani Gurdwara Parbandhak Committee (SGPC) has raised concerns over the safety of Sikhs in Canada, urging both countries to work collaboratively on this issue. The appeal points to geopolitical challenges that could impact business relations. Story 9. Trump's policy stance and its impact on India. Trump's America First policies are likely to refuel trade protectionism, affecting global markets, including India. Analysts predict potential tariff battles and increased US-China tensions, with possible repercussions on Indian exports and tech. Story 10. Maharashtra elections and economic promises. As the Maharashtra Assembly elections heat up, the opposition-led Maha Vikas Aghadi (MVA) promises significant financial incentives, such as a farm loan waiver up to Rs 3 lakh and monthly financial support for women and jobless youth. Such pledges could shape voter sentiment and economic policies. That's all for today's Daily Investment Guide. Stay tuned for more insights that help you stay informed and ahead of the game. Until next time, this is Nina Menon guiding you through the world of investments. Stay savvy.